welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nerline, aka Nella. So before we get to the video, if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just wanted to make this video because there's just so much going on in the world right now, and it just, even in my life, my health and everything, I just felt like I need a very uplifting video, something with pop, of something with color, just some colorful thing. Just, if you know me personally, you will know I really love colors. Here I wanted to create a pop of color eye makeup look, just to lift your mood if you are feeling blue, if you're feeling meh, and you're just looking for another makeup inspo, like what to do with your makeup. I mean, for me, makeup makes me feel great. If I'm feeling meh, if I'm feeling down, if I just don't feel like myself anymore, I put on makeup and my superpower woman just pops in, okay? And if your makeup jank like me, and this is a video for you, okay? Without further ado, let's get to the tutorial. As you can see, my eyes is already set and prime. When you see my face like this, you guys must just know it's gonna be really colorful, okay? Colors, I like to use Catrice. This is my favorite from Catrice, the camouflage concealer, but I mainly use it for my eyes. It's in the shade Ivory, and that's how it looks like. And then I have I set my eyes with Catrice Candid Setting Powder. For my lower lid, I'm gonna go with this MAC Red Brick. I'm going with the same brush because I want the color to blend. I'm gonna go with this from Maybelline Lemonade palette, and I'm gonna go with the yellow, this one, this yellow. I'm still going to put it under my lower lid as well. Okay, I'm gonna go with this red color. I'm gonna mix it with this bright pink, okay? I'm gonna go with this bright yellow. Bam! So I'm going to go with the pink just to intensify it again. And then I'm gonna go with the brick red. I'm gonna go with the brick red from MAC again, just for to blend in the two together. Just below the brow bone, to blend in everything together. And if you guys can see it, and I'm going with this glitter. I'm gonna go with this, it looks like a mustard color. I'm just gonna pop it just in the corner of my eyelid. Amaina ma anapenda mucho And for the eyelining, I'm going with the one and only Inglot Very Black. Done. Now I'm gonna go with the foundation. Going to go with my Lancome baby Tinted Dull Ultra Wear. This one is in the shade 13.2. One thing I love about this foundation, it smells delicious. With concealers lately, like under my eyes, and some of them burns when I put. My skin is very sensitive, so I bought another light shade of Lancome. Now this one is the Teint Miracle, okay, Teint Miracle in English, okay. This is, so I bought, this is shade number 11. It's the lightest. My autofocus just giving up on me, so. And you can see I haven't even used it. This is my first time using it, so I'm trying it out, you guys. It's not a foundation review and I'm not about that life, so let's go. Bam, bam, bam. This is one of the things I like. I literally hate doing my eyes before my makeup, but it is what it is. You can, so I'm now going to suggest you because the concealer is definitely cheaper than if I to buy a whole bottle of foundation and use it as a concealer, but the other side of it, a whole bottle of foundation is a lot. You get a lot of foundation and it's gonna last you for quite some time than to buy a small little tiny bottle of a concealer, which is almost like the same price. You get what I'm saying? So if you're gonna go for it, go for it. One thing I love about Lancome is I just put it in my skin just absorbs the goodness of it, and I really don't have to do that much with blending it and making it settle in my skin, and I will never go wrong with Lancome. Like, if I can recommend a brand, Lancome it is, and Lancome is gentle on your skin. And Lancome is so gentle on the skin. Just look at my skin, you guys. Damn, I look beautiful, baby. Yeah. Yum, 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 yum. Okay, highlighting and hiding my mustache. To contour, I'm gonna go with my black opal in walnut. Okay, I'm just gonna go bam, not so much, bam, not so much. You don't want to overdo it. Okay, lift your face a little bit up, contouring the nose. for the double chin girls. I'm using Wet n Wild lip liner. I got this liner from Clicks in Color Icon. I really know. It's like a nudies, and it's only it was 29.80 rand. No, it's not that pricey. And for my lips, I'm gonna go with the NYX lingerie. This one is in Teddy. I don't really set my face that much because my skin is very dry. Okay, I set but I do not bake. Baking means like letting sit in there and cooking up, so that when you take your selfies, your pictures look super snatched. I've been set. I use it before. So this powder is MAC setting powder. I love. So let's just blend it with my MAC blush resin. This is it's a powder MAC from it's a powder blush from MAC. It's very good for people of color. It just makes your skin pop and it's subtle. That's what I like about it. It's not like loud. I like to put blush on just above my eyebrows so that my eyebrows will pop. It gives my face also a color, man. You don't want to look like a dead man in a casket, okay? You want to have some color in your face. And then I smile just to contour, because when I smile for real, then I'm blushing. Who say black girls can't blush? Who say that? Who say that? I'm gonna go with the Max Fix Plus setting spray to set my face. So you guys may know I'm not a fan of matte, so I'm gonna go and put on my lip gloss, just a gloss to hide that's nude, baby. And it's winter. Felt good. I feel sorry for the guy. And let me know what you guys think about this pop of color, about this look. Thank you so much for tuning in my channels. And if you're gonna try it, please don't forget to tag me and follow me on Instagram if you're not following me. And I will see you guys next time on my next video. Bye bye. Stay safe. So don't forget to English is not my first language.